Top 5 General Health Tips from Ayurveda. Tip number 1. Follow a healthy and balanced diet. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of eating a balanced diet that is tailored to your dosha or body type. This includes fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Tip number 2. Practice good digestion. Ayurveda considers good digestion to be the cornerstone of good health. This includes eating at regular intervals, avoiding cold and raw foods, and chewing your food thoroughly. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and herbal teas is important for maintaining good health. Ayurveda recommends drinking warm water with lemon in the morning to help stimulate digestion and detoxify the body. Tip number 4. Practice daily self-care. Ayurveda encourages daily self-care practices like oil massage and meditation to promote overall health and well-being. Taking care of yourself can help reduce stress and improve your physical and mental health. Tip number 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining good health. Ayurveda recommends gentle exercises like yoga, walking, and swimming, as well as other activities that are appropriate for your body type. Exercise helps improve circulation, reduce stress, and promote overall wellness. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.